Yeah, you just sat in mud.
Ew.
Hey guys, out here in the garden, it's really muddy and nasty right now, but tomorrow is the first day of spring. Today would be a perfect day, since it is pretty, to go ahead and lay out the cardboard that I have to help germinate any seeds that are in my garden, and also just to create a nice clean garden bed. So that's the goal with the cardboard. So I'm going to lay it down and then I'm going to saturate with water really well. It's also supposed to rain again for the next 3 or 4 days, I believe. So we're going to see if this works. So let's get to it.
Your video. Come back, Fox.
Hey, do you want to do me a favor and go grab, you see those little pieces? Can you grab those?
Yeah. Those two?
Yep.
Yeah, this thing is cool. See this whole entire thing? It's soggy.
That's okay. Okay, so our garden starts back here. So guys, the wind is taking off with our paper. So we're gonna turn on the hose and see if we can lay it down and wet it at the same time. We'll see how this goes. It's okay.
It ripped off my shoe.
Oh, buddy, go get the end of this so it doesn't blow. Just hold it. Okay. Mommy appreciates your help.
Thank you.
You're doing a good job. Work, school, kind of the same thing, right?
No.
No?
They can't be, because school is learning and you don't learn at work. You just build things learning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't think you learn things at work?
No, I do. I do. They're just not the same thing. Okay, now my hands are done wet.
What do you have more fun at, school or work?
Probably work, because I can build stuff.
Because you can build stuff?
Yeah.
Thought it would be a lot easier just to move put the cardboard down. I thought I had more than enough. I'm really bad with measurements, but on top of that, then the paper started blowing everywhere. It just wasn't working. My hose from being out in the sun, and just being old has kinks and holes in it. So, whew, but man, it feels so good to have that done. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure if it will. The paper's probably gonna blow away, to be honest. And I'm pretty sure the weeds and stuff could just kind of poke right on through. So we'll see if it actually works or not. But yeah, so we're headed in. It is 7 o'clock. Oh, I love the season when the sun doesn't go down. My camera died, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Go out and do and grow something you love.